pyramid.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
And toss.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ano masasabi mo sa ginawa nila?
Galing po, kuya.
Galing ka ba?
Yung po. Na first time mo, ano po, kuya? Mag-cheer dance.
So, from now until our session ends, we'll be treating you as cheerleaders, okay? Not as housemates, but we'll be treating you as our team. But also, I would like to remind you as cheerleaders, anong napapansin niyo sa mga cheerleaders? Energy, ano pa? Smile. Okay, kami mga cheerleaders, we smile in between injuries and in between difficulties. Okay? Hindi mo kami makikita na kahit hirap na kami sa taas, makasibangot or makikita yung pain. So we have to see that in you. Okay? So kahit nahihirapan kayo, nakasmile. From now until the end, until makalabas kayo sana dito.
Para sa training ng Dream Team, inuna ng mga tagapagturo ang jogging,
Bigger circle, guys! Okay, yung shortcut.
stretching,
Okay, lean forward and then keep on swinging your arms.
at conditioning training.
Limang push-ups dito sa first station. So, limang push-ups. Okay, sa push-ups, kailangan diretso yung katawan. Kung masyadong mahina pa, pwede kayong girl push-up, yung modified push-ups natin na naka-bend yung knees. Okay, yung knees nasa floor. That's 5. After the 5, high knees, tapos center, stop, and then push-ups. 5 ulit. Okay. Tapos after 5, high knees ulit, in between, and then 5 ulit sa dulo. Okay? Ready?
Okay!
First group, ready, go push-ups. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go high knees. Next group. Go push-ups.
Inaasahan ko po kuya na magiging mahirap po yung mga pagdadaanan natin kasi challenging din po siya sa part namin kasi po since ito po yung first time na gagawin namin siya.
5, high knees.
Kaya ihanda ko yung sarili ko at gagawin ko lahat.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng training, ang ibang housemates nakaramdam na ng hirap.
3, let's go. 4, next bit. And 5, let's go. Up. Let's go up.
Unit pala, nag-ano rin pala sa dati.
Let's go, high knees. Let's go, let's go.
Nasa
Smile, guys. Ready, and go down. And go. 5, let's go. 1, 2, let's go. Next bit. 3, let's go. 4, let's go. 1, up. Okay. 1,
It's beautiful to watch them, pero when you do it, it's so much harder. Hindi siya biro.
Si Jinri nadalian sa conditioning exercises pero tila nahirapan na noong itinuro na ang cheer motion.
Importante, nakatupi lahat ng daliri, walang nakalabas na thumb. Blade, this is how you do it. Blade, okay? Pwede niyong bend ng konti para nakashape siya dun sa kamay talaga. Review, fist, and blade. Just put your hands, pagbigitin niyo sa kamay niyo, clap. Okay, next. Clap.
Grabe yung energy nila na pinasok talagang naramdaman naming lahat. Nakaka-induct sila mag-perform.
8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, and 6, ready? Jimmy smile. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2,
Habang ang iba nakakasabay sa sayawan, si Jinri,
Wait, One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Okay, go. Okay. Sino ang bottom here? Si ano na? Let's go. Jerry, ready? No, I picked you. Let's go. March. And go. 1, 2, 3. March pa rin. 3, 4, 5. Diagonal. 6, 7. Okay, again. Magsistikan lang po dyan. Kung hindi mo tayo try, hindi naman
I just need to let it out for a bit. Just get sometimes.
Kasi
you. Mamaya na yan sa pagbabalik ng PBB Lucky Season 7, mga kwento ng Dream Team ni Kuya.